पढ़ेगा इंडिया तो आगे बढ़ेगा इंडिया. But what if I say we have 92% literacy rate? Fun fact, 83% of them are not employed beside being literate. तो फिर कैसे बढ़ेगा इंडिया? Our Prime Minister very proudly mentioned India to be one of the youngest country of the world. Yes, we are the youngest country. But till what extent this youngest generation helping in the development of the country? When you will bind the mind of this youngest generation to a fixed curriculum, how will they help in the development of the country? Yes, I am talking about the same education system of the country prevailing right now. Actually, more than an education system, it has become a conspiracy. Earlier, we had this system of Gurukul where we got to learn everything from meditation, philosophy, mathematics, science, Vedas and almost every skill. But today's education system has just become a duty, whose ultimate goal is only to make us a labor. यहाँ कंपटीशन नॉलेज की नहीं बल्कि रटने की होती है और जो सबसे अच्छा रट लेता उनका सबसे ज़्यादा मार्क्स आ जाता. आज संस्कृत में 95% लाने वाले हम सब संस्कृत बोल नहीं पाते बट स्टिल वी गॉट 95% गाइज. ओके, आई गेस every one of us knows what a plus b whole square equals to. But how many of us knows the actual use of this? I guess none of us. Na principal, na teacher और ना हम. Same course, same syllabus, besides seeing our skill, our talent, our capabilities, ultimately throwing us into a self-doubt situation. Okay, I have one question. That why we only know how to use computer, how to use apps, how to use technologies. Instead, why we don't know how to generate the computer, how to create these apps and how to develop these technologies. Why engineering degree has become an ultimate source of unemployment today. आज भारत में 50,000 से ज़्यादा कॉलेजेस हैं जिनका मोटो बस डिग्री बांटना है. उन्हें हमारे फ्यूचर से, हमारे करियर से कोई मतलब नहीं है और उनकी रेपुटेशन बनी रहे इसके लिए उन्होंने 75% मैंडेटरी अटेंडेंस का करिकुलम जारी कर दिया और पढ़ाई के नाम पे सब्जेक्ट वाइज घंटों का लेक्चर लगा दिया. पर कोई इन कॉलेजेस और इन स्कूल को बताए कि बाहर जब जिंदगी इम्तिहान लेती तो सब्जेक्ट वाइज नहीं लेती. बट मैक्सिमम कॉलेजेस नो दिस वेल. That's why they need not to keep any criteria of 75% mandatory attendance. Because they know कि हम खुद अपनी मर्जी से कॉलेज आएंगे ना कि किसी प्रेशर से. These colleges follow the rule of if you teach me, I may forget, if you show me, I may remember, but if you apply it, I will keep it for a lifelong. But this education system, beside focusing on our skill, our focus to an irrelevant thing are given. Like, if you speak English, no doubt you are the most talented child among most of the brown families. Yes, this too happens. In fact, in India, English has become a class rather than just a language. Ever wondered why most of the graduates think of pursuing their higher studies from abroad and do settle themselves there itself? Because according to most of our mindset, our graduation or after graduation, we are left with either government job preparation or the 9 to 5 matrix to earn our livelihood. And in case, if you think of higher studies, guys, come up with a suitcase full of money. Because every one of us are not that lucky to get government colleges or not that talented to get government colleges. Actually, we are also equally responsible for our situation. Badly deviated towards scrolling reels, just escaping the reality of the society. I learned somewhere or I studied somewhere that if you have to spoil any country, you just need to spoil their youth. And so is happening. We youth can go days just scrolling our phone and then ending up into a self-doubt situation. What if we don't get job? Where will I earn from? Friends, trust me, it's just you at the end. No love, no family, it's you. परिवार और प्यार भी तब तक ही साथ है जब तक उन्हें हमसे उम्मीदें हैं. So guys, get your ash up because it's just you at the end.